Good afternoon. I am the first founder of Yakuza Group. And this guy sitting here is the godfather of our group. Please welcome Kevin Briones.
I am the godfather of our group. I control the illegal acts. And this is my right hand, Jomari. I'm the right hand of the godfather. I'm the godfather's son, and when he gets old, I someday will come to the world. I'm the president of Yakuza Group. I'm the supplier of the firearms.
I'm in charge of the shipment of the Yakuza Group. And this is my right hand.
I'm the vice president of the group. We're here. I'm the last member. Eddie. Gusto mo ulit? Ma'am, era.